Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 3200, EP 3200 41/74, and the Philips 4300, EP 4347 94 espresso machines. Both have that LatteGo milk frother, right?
Yeah, both use the LatteGo, which is supposedly super easy to clean. That's a big plus for me. I hate fiddly milk systems.
Agreed, but the 3200 is listed as renewed and sells for $599, while the 4300 is new at $699. Is the extra 100 worth it?
Definitely something to think about. The 4300 boasts 8 coffee varieties compared to the 3200's 5 and has a touch display. The 3200 uses buttons, I believe.
Ah, okay, a bit more modern. The 3200 does specifically mention iced coffee as one of its options. Does the 4300 do iced coffee too? That's kinda important in the summer.
It doesn't explicitly say iced coffee, but with its aroma extract system that optimizes brewing temperatures, it should be able to brew a good base for iced coffee. Plus, you've got more control with the 4300's My Coffee Choice menu. You can adjust strength and quantity.
Right, customization. That's a good point, and the 4300 has 2 user profiles, so you can save your preferred settings. The 3200, being a renewed model, might not have all the latest features, but it's still a Philips, so the ceramic grinder should last at least 20,000 cups on both.
True, and the 4300 has an AquaClean filter, so you don't need to descale as often, up to 5,000 cups. That's a huge time saver.
Descaling is a pain. What about size? Are they massive?
Pretty similar, actually. The 3200 is 17DX 10 inches WX 15 inches H, while the 4300 is 10DX 15 inches WX 17H. So, the 4300 is a little taller and not as deep.
Okay, so space-wise, not a huge difference. I guess it boils down to iced coffee preference, the touchscreen, user profiles, and the descaling thing, versus saving $100 and getting a renewed machine.
Exactly. And the 4300 has way more reviews, so you can get a better sense of how people like it.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.